You've heard the word 1,000 times. AI agents, agentic workflows, React, RAG. But what do they actually mean? Most explanations are either too technical or way too basic. So, in this video, we'll break it all down simply. No jargon, no coding required. If you use AI tools like ChatGPT or Gemini every day and just want to understand what AI agents are and how they affect you, this video is for you. Think of popular AI tools like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, or Claude. They're all built on something called large language models, or LLMs. Basically, AI systems trained on massive text data to understand and generate human-like language. You give a prompt, for example, write me a polite email to schedule a coffee chat. The AI processes your input and produces an output, a well-written email, probably more polite than you'd ever be yourself. But now, if you ask, when is my next coffee chat? ChatGPT can't answer. This highlights two core limits of LLMs. They don't have access to private or proprietary data, like your calendar or company files. They're passive. They wait for you to give an input and simply respond. Keep those 2 points in mind. They're key to understanding everything that follows. Now, let's build on that idea. Imagine you tell the AI, whenever I ask about an event, first check my Google Calendar, then answer. Boom. You've created your first AI workflow. Now when you ask, when is my coffee chat with Elon Husky? It looks into your Google Calendar and gives you the right date. Pretty smart, right? But here's the catch. If you follow up with, what will the weather be like that day? The AI fails, because your workflow only tells it to check your calendar, not the weather. That's the limitation. AI workflows follow predefined paths you design. You can expand it. Maybe let the AI access the weather via API, then even read the answer out loud using text to audio. That's still a workflow, even if it has hundreds of steps, because you, the human, are still making every decision. Pro tip, you'll hear the term RAG, short for Retrieval-Augmented Generation. It just means the AI is allowed to look things up before answering. For example, pulling info from your calendar or the web. Let's take a real example. Using make.com, I built a small workflow. Step 1. Collect links to news articles in Google Sheets. Step 2. Use Perplexity to summarize those articles. Step 3. Send those summaries to Claude, asking it to draft LinkedIn and Instagram posts. Step 4. Schedule everything to run automatically at 8 a.m. every day. That's an AI workflow. Structured, automated, but still fully controlled by me. If the output isn't funny enough, I have to tweak the prompt manually. Now, here's where the magic happens. Let's take the same workflow, the one that summarizes news and writes posts, and imagine something changes. What if the decision maker is no longer me, but the AI itself? That's what turns a workflow into an AI agent. The AI now reasons. It figures out how best to reach the goal, acts. It uses tools on its own, like Sheets, APIs, or browsers. Iterates. It reviews, improves, and repeats until it gets it right. For example, an AI agent might think, to create posts from news articles, I need to collect links first. It reasons like a human, acts autonomously, and even self-critiques.